In this guide, I'll show you how to create another account in Mobile Legends. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you want more content like this. We truly appreciate it. Now, to create a second account in Mobile Legends, start by tapping on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a new page. From the menu on the left-hand side, select Account. Next, look toward the lower right area of the screen and tap on Switch Account. Confirm your choice by selecting Switch Account again. From here, you'll see multiple login options, including Google, Facebook, TikTok, Apple, Google Play, and Moonton. Yes, you can even sign in with TikTok now, which is pretty surprising. To create a new account, simply choose a login method that you haven't used before on your current account. Once you sign in using a new method, Mobile Legends will automatically create a brand new account for you. After that, you can easily switch between your accounts anytime by going back to the account settings and selecting Switch Account. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.